Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. Today's topic of discussion is career options after BA English Literature. If you are a student of English Literature or are thinking of joining English Literature in the coming academic session, this video is for you. Now, what are the career opportunities after doing English Literature? What are the things taught in BA English Literature? And what are the skills that you learn while doing BA English Literature? Let's find out. In case you have doubts in any topic related to English literature, you can follow and contact us on social media. We will try to reply as soon as possible. And do connect with Literature Mantra, India's only free online preparation platform for UGC NET and all English literature based exams. Before discussing the career opportunities after BA English Literature, let's talk about what is taught in English literature courses. In English literature, the emphasis is on literature, not on language. This means that unlike school level, where grammar is taught in English classes, at college or university level, very little emphasis is on grammar. Mostly whatever is taught is related to literature. Now, literature can refer to novels, poems, plays, short stories, and so on. And this emphasis on literature is what makes this course very interesting. And this is what opens more career options for you. Along with English literature or British literature, you will be required to study Indian literature written in English or even in translation. Means some sections of the Mahabharata can also be included. Then world literature is also a component of these English literature. This means that sections of literature from America or Africa or Australian literature and in general European literature will also be included in the English literature courses. The emphasis is on widely reading, writing and developing an approach of criticality, means critical thinking. The basic idea is that the student should be able to critically analyze different works of literature. So after completing the course, along with better spoken ability and better writing skills, you would have developed a good sense of criticality. As you are aware, recently the syllabus in many universities has been updated, and with the recent changes in the syllabi in many universities, for example Delhi University, the English literature courses have become more career or employment oriented. This means that in addition to the traditional topics, you will also be provided with soft skills and some form of vocational training or job or employment oriented training or skills. This will help you become more employable so that you will easily find jobs after completing the course. Now let's come to the various career opportunities after pursuing a course in English literature at the undergraduate level. One good career option is journalism. Journalism can be print media as well as electronic media. There are also a couple of examples where students from English literature have gone on to become journalists. A well-known example is of Indian TV anchor Barkha Dutt. After undergraduate, if you also go on to do masters and PhD, then you can also go into academics, means teaching at college level or university level. You can also teach at school level, and for that all you need is master's degree, no need for MPhil or PhD. After completing your course in English literature, you can also apply for various government jobs in India, jobs like banking, SSC, state PCS and civil services. You will be eligible for all of these. And in civil services, a good option is Indian Foreign Service or IFS. In foreign service, your English can be an asset for you because expressing yourself, writing reports and communicating with different people in the world is only possible if your command over English is good. And those people who are good in English, both spoken and written, do have a better chance of performing well in the civil services interview and of course during mains exam when all that is required is writing. English literature students stand to gain a lot, or at least they stand a good chance of doing well in their career. A good example can be former Foreign Secretary of India, Nirupama Rao. She was earlier a student of English literature during her college days and university days. Thereafter, she ranked number 1 in civil services exam and then went on to become India's Foreign Secretary. That is the highest post in Indian Foreign Service. There is also also the career of creative writing and copywriting. Now, creative writing can refer to multiple things. A very common example is writing articles for magazines, journals, or you can go on to also write your own book. And if you go on to acquire some additional knowledge of book publishing, you can also go into that field of book publishing. In India, there are countless books written and published each year. You can also go in that field, means publishing. Then a related career is of copywriters. Now, what are copywriters and what is involved in copywriting? Now, copywriting involves writing advertisements or promotional material. So you'll have to creatively design texts for brochures, billboards, websites, and advertisements. And all of this is very much related to using your creative skills that you are taught in English literature courses. Then another closely related career is of editing and content writing. Editing basically is proofreading. Proofreading might sound as if it is trivial, but nowadays with the publication of many journals, books, and periodicals, more and more editing jobs are on the offer. In addition, there are many companies who are also hiring people for doing editing job. And then, as I said, content writing is emerging as a major career. Content writing can be for a website or a blog. Content writing can also be for educational institutions or training centers. And these jobs might sound new to you, but these jobs are emerging as major sources of employment, and they also pay good salaries. After English literature, all these career options are available to you. You can also apply to places where there are vacancies for trainers or English trainers for vocational or soft skills. Particularly multinational companies want their workers or employees to be well trained in soft skills. Now, soft skills can refer to many things, but one of the important components of soft skills is spoken ability and an ability to write and an ability to interact with others. Now, these skills are taught in English literature, as I already mentioned at the beginning of the video. After completing your undergraduate or postgraduate studies, you can use these skills to find employment in various firms or multinational companies. These were some of the main career opportunities available to students of English literature after they complete their studies. And in case you eventually decide to join English literature, or if you are already pursuing a course in English literature, you can always rely on Literature Mantra for all your questions. If you have any doubts related to English literature or UGC NET, feel free to contact us. We will try to reply as soon as possible. With this, I wish you all the best for your future career. I am Professor Singh, and I'll see you in the next video.